Let's talk about a staple in food handling, the protective glove. When handling food intended to be eaten by people, it's advisable to use gloves as protective coverings for the hands. You must always make sure that you wash your hands before putting on protective gloves.
All protective gloves used in a food business have to be food grade, which means that they are latex free, made of vinyl or polyethylene, powder free and disposable. Such gloves are cheap and widely available from most commercial and wholesale kitchen and food suppliers. Your food handling gloves must be changed as frequently as you wash your hands because they are just as susceptible to contamination as your bare hands.
What are unhygienic hand habits? Many people have personal habits which inadvertently transfer dirt, viruses and bacteria, and there are also other facets of their physical grooming which can also create contamination. These include picking your nose, picking off bits of skin, and scratching at nail polish. All may be done habitually and absent-mindedly.
Here are some tips to help you stop endangering food products with unhygienic habits. Keep your fingernails clean and short. Not only is this necessary for hygiene, but customers can also be put off by dirty or broken nails. Don't wear nail varnish or false nails when handling food. Varnish is very likely to chip, and the nails can easily fall off, introducing physical contamination into the food. Don't bite your nails. Don't lick your fingers to separate papers or plastic bags.
People who are suffering from persistent coughs, sneezes and runny noses should be kept away from all open food, whether being prepared, cooked, plated, served or presented.
You should also always wash your hands thoroughly after coughing or sneezing, even if this was into a tissue or handkerchief. Fingers are just as bad at transferring viruses or bacteria. Food handlers need to be fully aware and conscious of the many habits that humans pick up, and they need to stop them actively.
Human hair is continuously shed during our daily lives, and even while we're asleep. It's impossible to avoid. Because of this, hair has to be prevented from dropping or being blown into the food you're handling, preparing or serving.
There are several ways of making sure that hair does not become a contaminant. Tie long hair back securely. Wear appropriate and adequate hair coverings such as industry standard hairnets, caps and hats. Put hair coverings on before you put on other protective clothing to ensure that hair doesn't fall onto the rest of your body and outer garments. Comb or adjust hair well away from the food preparation area. Remove your protective clothing before taking off your head covering. Above all, regularly wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner, particularly if you are a dandruff sufferer.
You must not wear jewellery or wristwatches when handling food. They harbour dirt and bacteria and can cause physical contamination, as small pieces of metal or stone can fall off into the food. Strong perfumes and cologne can taint oily and fatty foods with acrid or chemical type flavours and should also be avoided.